Hi.
Hi kids. I'm back from school and I'm gonna listen.
This boy.
Good afternoon and good night, you guys. I'm rushing out this morning. I'm 10 minutes before I get out of here, and I am going to use that 10 minutes to make some green juice before I go. I don't have any cucumber this morning, so I'm just using up the rest of my celery and apple because it's Friday, so it's supermarket day. Hopefully I get to go today or in the morning. I am hurrying this morning because I have to drop Tyler to school, come back, and then go and catch the bus because I'm going to see a physical therapist this morning for my diastatic recti. It's the first time I'm going to see a physical therapy, but my other therapy is going really good. I went there yesterday and we're seeing a lot of progress, so that is awesome. That's good news. I have an early appointment this morning, so Sarah is already up. As usual, she would be up just before I finish get Tyler ready, and so she did. Never failed this morning. She's up. I already got her cleaned up and ready to go, and got myself ready, got Tyler ready, because as I got back from Tyler's school, you say morning to Faves? Say morning.
Morning, Faves.
If I get back from Tyler's school, I'm gonna have to just get the bag and jump on the bus. So it's not far. I'm just going down the street. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys are staying blessed, stay loved, stay motivated. Your girl is rushing you guys this morning because I need to be on time. So I'm just gonna make this green juice, give some to Tyler, and then we head out. Talk to the FaceTime.
Hi, babe.
What do you have to tell them today?
Today.
Hold on. A bit of green juice.
Yes,
and just like that, green juice is ready. Ready.
You're all gonna drink it?
Yeah, you're gonna drink it.
This is
green juice.
Me,
I hate this
not
light over my head. Oh my gosh. I can't stand that light over my head. You guys like my hair?
Then I come.
I have in clippings.
Then I go. It's fun like that.
Drink some.
Mmm.
Drink some now?
Mmm.
Sorry. Drink up. Okay, you're taking too long. Let me get an extra for myself. Come, drink. We're drinking from the same cup. I'm drinking faster than you. It's gonna finish. He's so funny. And baby's out of town today. So I'm going to this physical therapy all by myself with baby girl. Drink. You don't want any more?
No.
Okay.
So bye bye. Let's go.
More for me.
Papa, let's go. I want to go to school.
Put on your bag.
Okay.
Is it half open?
Yeah.
What's in there? That's open.
Okay.
Come. And while you get your bag, I'm gonna get the carrier to put my girl in. I like to bring her to school with me in the carrier in the mornings because so many parents are at the school. It's not easy to push the stroller through the crowd. So that's why you guys see me always carrying the stroller. Usually I carry the that's why you guys always see me put on the carrier, but usually I carry the stroller. But I realized that, hey, it's not easy navigating through this crowd with the stroller, and I like to just go about my business and get back. Say morning to Faith before I put you in. Say morning, Faith. She looking at her brother. She ain't got time for you. Yeah, get brother. Let's get in. Let's get in. Let's get in.
No, you. Help you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
And of course I have to put pajama and hat on Sarah in the mornings because Stella, you can't do that. Sarah dear.
Da 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 da.
Okay. It's a little bit chilly for the kids in the morning, but for me it's fine. Alright. And we're ready to go. Ready to go. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna drop Tyler to school and I'll catch you guys when I get back. Say bye to Faith.
Bye bye.
It's crazy here. We have the crazy here. Can you guys tell that we've been laying down? You guys, I went to my appointment and got back a long time ago, and I hate this light over my head. Let me see if I turn it off. Oh, that's better. Went to my appointment and got back a long time ago, and Sarah and I been laying down. She's been napping and I'm trying to sleep and it's just not happening. The sleep is just not coming my way. It doesn't really matter how I try. I have so much things going through my head. It just not allowing me to sleep. But Sarah take a nap, so I decided that, hey, I'm gonna get up and make dinner since I have some time. And as I came in the kitchen, so Sarah wake up. As I came in the kitchen, Sarah wake up. Look at her. Look, who's that? Say hi, Faves. Say hi, Faves. Say Faves right there. Look. Say hello. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Hello, 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 everybody. I guess by now you guys will see your merchandise. So hopefully you guys are ordering your merch and hopefully you guys like them. And again, if you guys have any ideas of us to design any other, drop the comments down below and let us know. Anyway, I am going to wait. First, my appointment went well. I did some exercise with my therapist, and I have appointments. I have assignments to do where I need to do those every day, 6 different types. So I guess I'll be showing you guys what are the exercises I'm gonna do to make my abs close. So I'm going to be doing these exercises for about 3 weeks, and then after that I'll be cleared to work out. But I have to go back to see her next week to see what my 1 week progress will be, since I'll be doing the workouts on my own for 1 week. Then when I go back, I'll let you guys know what the progress is. And with my other Sash fam, the midwife that I've been going to every week, I have 2 more sessions with her before I complete that one, and then 1 more session with this one that I went to today. So I'm almost complete all my therapy sessions for my open abs. So that's that. I took the camera with me, but I didn't vlog. When you're on the road with a newborn, it's not as easy to vlog as when I'm alone or when I was with Tyler. Anyway, I'm sure you guys understand. I am going to make some dinner right now, so I'm gonna put Missy down in her chair and then get cooking. So I'm gonna be making some mince, and that's gonna go with some veggies for me, and then I'm gonna make some pasta for Tyler. We bought these we had bought some colored pasta in Italy for Tyler, and he told me yesterday that he wants them, so I'm gonna cook those for him. He'll be happy when he gets home to see that I make those for him. Our vlog that we went to Italy, you would have seen that Tyler had chose this pasta, and I guess he liked it because of all the colors and I think the shape. So I'm going to cook this pasta for him, and he'll be so excited when he gets home. You guys know how excited he can get about the simplest thing. My happy child. It would make any kid want it. It's such a pretty pasta. So pretty. Well, I'll be happy. Look how beautiful this pasta remain even after finished cooking. So that's dinner, you guys. Salad for me and Babe, pasta for Babe and Ty, and mince. Dinner is done. I'm ready to grub. I have a surprise for you, Ty.
Okay.
Guess what I cooked for dinner?
What?
I know you'll be excited. You remember his pasta that he buy in Italy?
And I remember this one, I remember the other pack.
He buy this one by himself. Fizz is on.
Hi, Fizz.
Hi!
Hi, Fizz. I'm back from school and I'm gonna eat some.
This boy. Hi guys, Friday night, you know the weekend is about to start, and we're gonna do a lot of things, right? This little baby is sleeping.
Once Sarah go in this trap, she out.
So when she's crying, that's things to do home.
Well, she don't cry, so
right.
You guys, I just got back from picking up Ty. As you guys can see, I still have my baby strap onto me, and I'm getting dinner warm so he can have dinner. Yes, baby?
I want something go first because because it was hot outside.
How about you have dinner first and then you have it, okay?
Okay.
Take off your shoes and then mama give you dinner and then you can have water ice cream. My babies are home, the best time of the day. Look at this sleepy. Oh, her eye open. She stayed tricking me. Oh, she's getting back to sleep. Oh, it's time for you to get off my mattress. Get off of me, girl. Get off of me. My Sarah.
My Sarah.
My Sarah, not your Sarah.
My Sarah.
No, it's mine.
You are mine.
Oh yes, that can work. We can share her.
Yes.
Hope you guys are watching the championship, especially my Jamaicans, and supporting all our Jamaicans that are in Doha doing well. I know something was missing from my salad, my corn. You're funny. Sit.
Mama,
Yes, baby.
what did you cook?
What did I cook?
Yes?
I showed you the pasta. What do you mean, what I cook with the pasta?
Yes.
That's what I'm showing you.
It's not meat, it's goat.
No, I didn't cook any goat. You love goat too much, not today.
I want to eat
There is no goat tie.
Goat? You like goat? Hey, you want to be like a goat? You don't want to look like a goat? If you eat too much goat, you will look like a goat.
And now I want to eat the goat. I want to eat goat.
So you're going to look like a goat.
No.
And then you're gonna go meh.
I want to eat goat with pasta. I
Want
can
to eat
do
goat with
it.
pasta?
I'm not the animal. And my kids.
Eat too much goat, you're going to look like a goat.
No, I will not do man, not the animal.
Oh, they like look like a goat and like a little goat. So if you eat more goat, you will look like a big goat.
I want to go to pasta. I can't be a goat. I'm not an animal.
You want to look like a goat or you want to look like a beef? Or like a bull? You want to look like a bull? You want to look like a donkey? You want to eat donkey?
Tell Papa donkey can't eat. Well,
What do you mean donkey can't eat?
donkey not supposed to eat.
Why?
Donkey meat not supposed to eat.
This?
Yes, really.
I don't want to look like a goat and I'm not an animal.
Tell him again, Ty. Tell him again.
You're a
I'm
kid.
a kid, not an animal.
You're not a kid.
That's dinner.
It's
That's
like
babe.
That's how we
That's
spell
me.
tea.
And that's Ty. Ready, ready.
Baby, 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 baby. Oh, okay.
Ty, take time. No. All right, Ty.
I got it. I'm back.
And Sarah is loving every minute of Tyler antics. Who's ready for dinner?
Me and not Papa. He don't want to eat. He want to look like a donkey.
just want to look like a donkey. Okay,
Yes.
go be a donkey, Monsieur Delaveaus. Hey guys, we're coming on to end to this vlog. Tyler is off the bed and Sarah is just out and I'm about to go out. I don't think I'm gonna fall asleep right now, but I'm gonna lay down. You guys have been asking us to bring back the expressions of the day, so today is the day. You guys gonna get expressions. So the Jamaican expression for today is from Wapi Kill Fill Up. From Wapi Kill Fill Up. I'm hearing my grandmother in my head. This simple means from Wapi, somebody named Wapi kill Philip. But Patois in the part of Jamaica that I'm from, they say fill up. From Wapi Kill Fill Up.
From Wapi Kill Fill Up.
Simple means long time ago. That's what it means. So, for example, I'm going to use it in a sentence. I haven't give you guys a Jamaican expression from Wapi Kill Fill Up. It's been a while since I give them the Jamaican expression.
Okay.
Means long time ago. So give them the French expression what means long time ago.
We have different way to say it. The first coming to my mind is like il y a des lustres. Is simply mean like long time ago, and lustre is what you have on the floor. Don't ask me
what you have on the floor.
Yeah, this is called
not
lustre.
Floor, the roof.
On the roof. What is used as in the roof for the light that you,
the chandelier.
Yeah.
Oh,
you call it lustre.
Lustre.
So don't ask me what it
lustre
says.
with an R.
Yeah.
Okay.
Il y a des lustres.
Des lustres. Okay, means a long time ago.
Yeah, a long time ago.
Okay.
It is a little bit familiar. You're not gonna say that to your boss, but
okay.
yeah,
alright, you guys.
I'm gonna say that's one of the translation of it. Il y a des lustres. So if I tell you il y a des lustres, mean not yesterday. Not before yesterday too.
There you guys have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Sure, you get it.
Yes. And hope you guys are happy that we are back with the expressions of today. We'll give you guys the expressions when we are in a setting that we can sit down and end the vlogs, because lately we haven't been able to sit down and really end the vlogs like how we used to, because hey, our hands are full and sometimes we're just tired, and sometimes the vlog we just record and it just goes by like that. Anyway, you guys, and it's the first expression with Sarah. Yeah, it's the first one with her.
Can't wait for Sarah and Tyler to give the expressions. I don't have anything to do. That wasn't funny?
No.
Hi.
That wasn't funny because I like to hear what you say it. I love to hear what Tyler say it too. But can you imagine when the three of you guys saying it? That would be cool.
He already have his own expression from school.
Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and thank you guys to everybody that has purchased merch from our merch store. And if you guys are wondering how to purchase our merch, all of them, a lot of them is displayed below every video that we publish. You can click on one and then it will take you to a page. You can scroll down to the bottom of that page and you will see all the other merches that we are selling. And if the page is in French, when you click on it, just scroll to the bottom right and you'll see the option to change it to your country or to your language. It's easy, and then you can purchase whatever you want to purchase. If anybody's having problem with the page being in a different language, just scroll to the bottom of the page and you'll see the option to change it back to your language. Love you guys, and thanks for all the love and the support. We appreciate it. Anyway, guys, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Let me show you guys Sarah before we go out. She's out. There she is. She's out. Cold. And Tyler is snoring in Snoreland somewhere right now.